highly successful duathlon, which was conducted at INS Hansa along the Indian Navy, along with 1930 and Pro Bike, conducted this first ever event in Goa, which comprised 5 kilometers running, 20 kilometers cycling, and 2.5 kilometers of running. We had an excellent response from the civilian community as well as the service community.
Yeah, the experience over here was really amazing. Like I did not expect to even to participate today. Rear Admiral Foga really waived off my fees, and he helped me to participate, and I think I did justice.
It was my first duathlon, so it was little bit challenging for me, and my friend also helped me in the race. I was about to give up because of all cramping and all, but I finished it.
For the very first time in INS Hansa, and the participation is not only from the naval community also, but from the civilian counterparts also. As my commanding officer said, we had total almost 175 participants, out of which 70 were civilian participants and rest were all naval personnel.